Introduction. Take control of your money.
Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you want to save for a goal or gain financial confidence, choosing the right method is often the first step. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 budgeting methods perfect for beginners, each designed to help you track your spending, build savings, and reach your financial goals, right from day one.
1. The 50/30/20ths rule.
The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt payments. This approach is ideal for beginners because it's easy to follow and doesn't require tracking every single expense. It offers flexibility while ensuring essentials and financial goals are covered.
2. Zero-based budgeting.
With zero-based budgeting, every dollar has a job. At the beginning of the month, you assign a purpose to every dollar of your income until nothing is left unallocated. This method provides a clear overview of where your money goes and helps prevent overspending. It's ideal if you want full control and accountability over your finances.
3. The envelope system.
The envelope system involves dividing cash into physical envelopes for each spending category, like groceries or entertainment. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category for the month. It's a visual system that increases awareness of spending habits and encourages discipline, making it especially useful for those who overspend with cards.
4. Pay yourself first.
The pay yourself first method means putting a portion of your income directly into savings or investments as soon as you get paid, before spending on anything else. This approach prioritizes your financial goals and helps make saving a habit. It's straightforward, effective, and removes the temptation to spend what you intend to save.
5. The no-budget budget.
For those who dislike detailed budgeting, the no-budget budget is a relaxed alternative. You automatically pay bills and set aside savings, then use the rest of your income freely. As long as you avoid debt and build up savings, this method offers maximum flexibility, ideal for beginners wanting structure without tracking every transaction.
Conclusion. Find your perfect fit.
There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to budgeting. The best method is the one that matches your lifestyle and financial goals. Try one or a combination of these approaches to start building better money habits. With the right strategy, anyone can gain financial confidence and take control of their future.